United we stand, divided we fall. Unity is the strength. Hello everyone, I am Ananya and she is Parithi. We are from class 8th. Today's talk is all about strength, unity and pride.
Ananya, do you know what was special day celebrated on 31st October every year?
Yes, Parithi, of course. This day is celebrated as National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, which marks the memory of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes, Ananya, you are right. He played a very important role in your nation after the Indian independence. His strong leadership and the love for the nation and him made out our greatest freedom fighter.
This day is to remind us the importance of unity, integrity, and security in our country. That also encourages the citizen to stay beyond no matter what religion, region, and language. But Paridhi, do you know what did the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel did to separate India and Pakistan?
Yes, Ananya, I know. He come closely to the Mahatma Gandhi for the during the independence of the freedom struggle, but seeing the coming violation between the Hindu and Muslim that they were agreed to partition to avoid a civil war along with with the help of the Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He managed all the situation peacefully and mindfully. So he worked as India as a stable, and then the Pakistan was created.
Yes, because of him, large states like Hyderabad, Junagadh, Gujarat, and Kashmir eventually become the part of our India.
Do you know there is a one great statue that made in the honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes, I know. There is a statue of unity in Gujarat that is made to honor the Iron Man of India. This statue represents India's peace, strength, and unity, which remind us that we are one nation, no matter what religion, what culture, and what region. But Paridhi, do you know if Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel would not have done that, what would have happened?
Yes, I know. If Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had not done this, India might be divided into small countries.
Yes, because he always inspired young Indians to follow the path of the unity in our life. Because unity is the strength, and when people work together, they can achieve anything.
You are right. Let's carry his vision forward. Thank
Thank
you.
you.